Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to discuss search in C programming. So let's get started. Guys, the search is the process of finding the data elements within the list or an array. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss the types of search. So we can divide search into two categories, linear search and binary search. Now guys, in this lecture we are going to discuss linear search only, and linear search is also known as sequential search, and it is a method of finding an element within a list or an array. It checks each element of an array sequentially until a match is found or the whole array has been searched. Now guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss the approach to implement a linear search. Suppose we are finding the location of an element n in an array. So begin with the first element of an array and one by one compare n with each element. If n matches with an element, then return the index of that particular element. And if n does not match with any of the elements, then it will return -1. So guys, let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler where I will show you the implementation of linear search. Guys, in this program, we are going to implement linear search. So I have declared an integer array A of size 5 and a variable I and variable n that we will search in an array. And we are using a variable log that is used to hold the index of searched element. And if that element is not found in an array, then it will return -1. So that's why we have assigned -1 to this log variable. Now I am taking input for this array A by using this for loop, and after that I am printing each element from this array by using this for loop and printf statement. And now I am taking input for the element to be searched in an array, and now I am using this for loop, and by using this piece of code we begin with the first element of an array because we have assigned 0 to I, and one by one compare n with each element. And if n matches with an element, then we will store the index of that item to the loc variable, and if n does not match with any of the elements, then the value of loc will be -1 as we assigned earlier. Now if loc is greater than 0, then it will print this statement, and I am using loc +1 because the index in array starts from 0. So that's why I have added 1 to loc. And if this condition is false, then it will print element does not exist. Now guys, if I run this program, it is requesting to enter the elements in array. So let me enter the elements. I have entered 1, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now it is requesting to enter the element to be searched. So let me enter 5 here. So it is giving 5 is found at 3 position. So I hope it is clear to you guys. Now if I run this program again and enter elements, now it is requesting to enter the element to be searched. Now let me enter 76, then it is printing element does not exist. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.